Hi students, now we are going to discuss about packing efficiency of simple cubic and body centered cubic. Packing efficiency. What is the meaning of packing efficiency? Some of the free space in between sphere or successive layer of sphere or sphere present in single layer and successive layers. What is the meaning of packing efficiency of single layer and successive layers? In the arrangement of AA type and AB type, ABC type. ABC type present in which cubic close bracket arrangement or hexagonal close bracket arrangement, CCP or HCP. AB arrangement present in then body centered cubic. AAA arrangement present in simple cubic. In the sphere of layers or a sphere of atom is present in successive layer or single layer. What is the meaning of single layer and successive layers? For example, in the atoms are arranged in one dimension. In this way is called one dimension sphere. One dimensional sphere. In the one dimensional sphere of different sphere of atom arranged in different rows. Different row. It is one kind of a layer of sphere. In this layer of sphere can be expressed as a type. Another one layer of sphere arranged on the first layer known as simple cubic arrangement. What is mean? Simple cubic arrangement. In simple cubic arrangement, all sphere of atom arranged in AAA type. First layer AA type, second layer of sphere also arranged in AA type. Some of these free space present in between sphere of single layer or sphere of successive layer. The percentage of total volume occupied by sphere gives the packing efficiency of the cubic arrangement or packing fraction of the cubic arrangement. What is meaning? In the percentage of total volume occupied by sphere present in simple cubic or face centered cubic or body centered cubic gives the packing efficiency of the respective arrangement. Now we are going to discuss about packing fraction of simple cubic or packing efficiency of the simple cubic. What is the meaning of packing efficiency? Packing fraction and packing efficiency. Packing fraction or packing efficiency. Packing efficiency equal to total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell. Total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. Because of the packing fraction, packing efficiency can be expressed in percentage. Percentage of total volume of the sphere in simple cubic, body centered cubic, face centered cubic gives the packing fraction of or packing efficiency of the simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic. What is the meaning of packing fraction or packing efficiency? Packing fraction, packing efficiency which is equal to the ratio of total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. What is the meaning of total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell? The total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell. Total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell which is equal to total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell which is equal to total number of atom per unit cell. Total number of atom per unit cell, total number of atom per unit cell in or multiple with volume of the sphere with radius, volume of sphere with radius r, volume of the sphere with radius r. What is the meaning of total number of atom per unit cell? What is the meaning of total number of atom per unit cell in simple cubic arrangement? Simple cubic, it is a simple cubic arrangement. In the atom are present in the corner only. The atom present at the corner. Totally how many corners in cubic system? Totally 8 corners are there. In cubic system 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners are there. In bodies and cubic are simple cubic. In simple cubic arrangement, in the atom are present at the corner only. Each atom equally shared with another 8 unit cell. Each atom equally shared with another 8 unit cell. So total number of atom per unit cell which is equal to contribution of atom present unit cell of Nc divided by 8. Contribution of atom to the unit cell. Contribution of atom to the unit cell. Unit cell which is equal to Nc divided by 8. Contribution of atom to the unit cell which is equal to Nc divided by 8. What is the meaning of Nc? Number of atom at the corner. Totally how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners are there. So Nc which is equal to 8. 8 divided by 8 which is equal to 1. Total number of atom per unit cell which is equal to 1. So total number of atom per unit cell of simple cubic which is equal to 1. Total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell which is equal to total number of atom per unit cell multiple with volume of the sphere with radius. What is meaning of volume of the sphere with radius? It's the length of the cubic system, edge length. It is the breadth of the cubic system. It is the height of the cubic system. In cubic system, length which is equal to A, in the breadth which is equal to A, height also which is equal to A, all sides are equal in cubic system. So, volume of the sphere with radius or volume of the sphere with radius. Totally how many atoms are there in the simple cubic? 1, 2 atom present in one edge length. So, in simple cubic system, simple cubic system, that corner occupy one atom, another one corner occupy another atom. Edge length of in this line is equal to A, edge length. The edge length consists of how many radius? 1, 2 radius are there. Edge length which consists of 2 radius are there. 2 radius. So total volume of the system, total volume here, volume of the sphere with radius, edge length which is equal to A which is equal to 2R. Edge length which is equal to A which is equal to then 2R, A which is equal to 2R. So radius R which is equal to A divided by 2. It is an important one of the formula. Radius calculated from the simple cubic system. The radius R which is equal to edge length divided by 2. 1/2 of the edge length which is equal to radius of the simple cubic system. So radius okay. What is the meaning of volume of the sphere with radius? Volume of the sphere with radius. Volume of sphere with radius R which is equal to 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3 pi r cube. 4 divided by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the sphere which is equal to 4 divided by 3 pi r cube. R which is equal to radius. Radius which is equal to 1/2 of the edge length. So 4 divided by 3 pi A divided by 2 whole cube. which is equal to 4 into pi into a cube divided by 3 into 2 power 3 equal to 8. In then 1 times the 2 times. 2 into 3 which is equal to 6. So equal to in then what? Pi a cube divided by in then 6 which is what? In the volume of the sphere with the radius r. Volume of the sphere with the radius r. So volume of the sphere with the radius r which is equal to pi a cube divided by 6 in simple cubic system. So what is the meaning of what is the meaning of total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell? The total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell which is equal to total number of atom per unit cell multiple with the volume of the sphere with radius. Total number of atom per unit cell equal to 1 in simple cubic system. In an atom are present in the corner only. Each atom equally served with another 8 unit cell. So contribution of atom to the unit cell which is equal to Nc divided by 8, where Nc is a number of atom per unit cell. In simple cubic system, totally how many corners are there? 8 corners. Each atom equally served with another 8 unit cell. So Nc is the total number of atom per unit cell. 8 divided by 8 which is equal to 1. Your contribution of atom to the unit cell which is equal to 1. It is a contribution of atom to the unit cell. Otherwise called a total number of atom belongs to the unit cell. Total number of atom belongs to the unit cell equal to 1. So volume of the sphere with radius. Volume of the sphere with radius which is equal to pi a cube divided by 6. Pi a cube divided by 6. So total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell. Total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell which is equal to total number of atom per unit cell. How many? 1 into in the what? Volume of the unit cell. Volume of the sphere with radius in unit cell which is equal to pi a cube divided by 6. Pi a cube divided by 6 divided by volume of the unit cell. What is the meaning of volume of the unit cell? In cubic system, all sides are equal. The length, breadth and height are equal. Length equal to a, breadth also equal to a, height also equal to a. So volume of the unit cell which is equal to a cube. Volume of the unit cell equal to a cube into 100 equal to in the by a cube divided by 6 in then a cube cancel into 100 which is equal to pi divided by 6 into 100 equal to 3.14 into 100 divided by 6 which is equal to 52.31 percentage. In simple cubic system, the atom are present in the corner only. All atom sphere occupy the 52.31 percentage. Remaining then vacant space are there in simple cubic system. So 52.31 percentage. 51.32 percentage of space occupied by sphere in simple cubic system. It is called packing fraction of simple cubic. So packing fraction of simple cubic which is equal to 51.32 percentage. Remaining in the 51.32 percentage minus 100 minus 51.32 percentage or 52 points. So 52.32 percentage equal to then 47.68 percentage. So 47.68 percentage of empty. In simple cubic system, 52.32 percentage of vacant and then 52 percentage of what? In the atoms are occupied in simple cubic system. Remaining 100 minus 52.32 which is equal to 47.68. So in the 47.68 percentage of vacant space in simple cubic system, vacant space. That vacant space otherwise called the voids. So voids which is equal to or empty space which is equal to in the occupied sphere of the simple cubic which is equal to or packing fraction of simple cubic which is equal to or packing efficiency of simple cubic which is equal to 52.32 percentage in the empty space of simple cubic. Empty space of empty space of simple cubic which is equal to 47.68%. It is a packing fraction of simple cubic system. In simple cubic system, the atom are present in corner only. Each atom equally surrounded with another 8 unit cell. In then what? In the contribution of atom to the unit cell which is equal to Nc divided by 8, where Nc is a total number of atom present in simple cubic system. So Nc divided by 8 which is equal to 8 divided by 8 which is equal to 1. So total number of atom present in per unit cell of simple cubic equal to 1. Volume of the sphere with radius which is equal to 4 divided by 3 pi r cube. 4 divided by 3 pi a divided by 2 whole power cube which is equal to pi a cube divided by 6. It is important formula. Volume of the sphere with radius of simple cubic which is equal to pi a cube divided by 6. Pi a cube divided by 6. Another one, the total volume occupied sphere in unit cell which is equal to total number of atom per unit cell. Total number of atom per unit cell of simple cubic 1. In the another one, volume of the sphere with radius. Volume of the sphere with radius which is equal to pi a cube divided by 6, which is totally equal to total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell. Volume of the unit cell which is equal to a cube. It is an important formula of then packing fraction and packing efficiency. Next one, packing fraction of body-centered cubic. Body-centered cubic. In this arrangement of body-centered cubic, one layer of AAA row of sphere arranged in single layer. Second layer arranged depression on the first layer. Third layer arranged similar to first layer. Fourth layer of sphere arranged similar to second layer. So, the body-centered cubic arrangement of system, otherwise called AB type of system. AB type of system. A is a one layer of sphere. B is another layer of sphere. In the B layer is arranged on the depression of first layer. B layer of sphere arranged on the depression of first layer. So, coordination number of each sphere in body-centered cubic which is equal to 6. Coordination number of each sphere in body-centered cubic which is equal to 8. 4 sphere on upper layer, 4 sphere on lower layer. In simple cubic system, coordination number of simple cubic system which is equal to 6. 4 sphere in one layer, 1 sphere in upper layer, 1 sphere in lower layer. It is a simple cubic arrangement. Coordination number of simple cubic arrangement equal to 6. 4 sphere in one layer, 1 sphere in upper layer, 1 sphere in lower layer. In body-centered cubic system, coordination number which is equal to 8. 4 sphere in lower layer, 4 sphere in upper layer in the arrangement of AB type. In this arrangement, AA type of sphere of a layer arranged one way. Second layer arranged depression of the first layer. Third layer of sphere arranged in similar to first layer. Fourth layer of sphere arranged in similar to second layer. In this arrangement of sphere is otherwise called AB type of arrangement. In AB type of arrangement of then body-centered cubic in the consists of totally coordination number 8, 4 sphere in upper layer, 4 sphere in lower layer. So now we are going to discuss about packing fraction or packing efficiency of the body-centered cubic. There is some free space in between the sphere of single layer and sphere of successive layers. The percentage of total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell gives the packing fraction or packing efficiency of the in the what? Simple cubic, body-centered cubic, face-centered cubic. In body-centered cubic, in the percentage of total volume occupied by sphere in body-centered cubic gives the packing fraction or packing efficiency of the system. So, what is the meaning of a packing fraction? The packing fraction or packing efficiency. Packing fraction or packing efficiency which is equal to total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell. Volume of unit cell into 100. Total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell. What is meaning of total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell? Total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell, which is equal to total number of atom per unit cell. Total number of atom per unit cell. Unit cell multiple with the volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. What is meaning of total number of atom per unit cell in body center cubic? Body center. In body centered cubic arrangement, in the sphere of one kind of A atom occupy the corner. In cubic system, totally how many corners are there? 8 corners are there. So A type of atom present in the corner only. A type of atom present at the corner only. Only one atom exclusively present in center of the body. Only one atom exclusively present in center of the body. Contribution of atom to the unit cell. Contribution of atom per unit cell. Per unit cell, which is equal to NC divided by 8 plus NB divided by 1. What is the meaning of 8? The denominator contains 8 is nothing but each atom equally shared with another 8 units. 8. Where NC is total number of atom per unit cell. Where NC is total number of atom per unit cell. What is the meaning of 1? The center of the body contain atom do not share with another unit cell. In the center body which contain atom exclusively present in center of the body only. But in the corner atom equally shared with another 8 unit cell. But the center of the atom do not share with another unit cell. That atom which occupy the center of the body. So exclusively present in center of the body only. So where NC is total number of atom per unit cell, where NB is total number of atom present in center of the body, where 8, what is the meaning of denominator containing 8? Each atom equally shared with another 8 unit cell. In the denominator contain 1, which is equal to the center atom exclusively present in only one center of the body. So where NC total number of atom per unit cell, so 8 divided by 8 plus only one atom present in center of the body, exclusively present in center of the body. So 1 divided by 1, which is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to in then 2. Total number of atom per unit cell of body center cubic. Total number of, already we have learned total number of atom per unit cell in simple cubic only 1. Here total number of atom per unit cell of in the what? Body center cubic, which is equal to 2. Don't forget, body center cubic equal to 2. Next one, volume of the sphere with radius. Volume of the sphere with radius. How to find out the volume of the sphere with radius? Totally how many corners are there? 8 corners. In center of the body which contain only one atom. In cubic system. In cubic system, the corner can be expressed as A, then B, C, D, then E, F, G, V, H. One atom present in one corner, another atom present in center of the body. third atom present in the next corner. So totally how many in the sphere arranged in one diagonal? 1, 2, 3 sphere. Totally 3 spheres are there in body diagonal. 3 sphere. A and C, CG. AB is the length of the cubic, BC is the breadth of the cubic, CG it is the height of the cubic. In cubic system, volume of the unit cell which is equal to A cube because of all sides are equal. So volume of the sphere, volume of the sphere which is equal to A cube. Okay. According to Pythagoras theorem, in the diagonal of ABC, AB squared which is equal to R, AC squared which is equal to AB squared plus and then BC squared. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC squared which is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. AB which is equal to A, edge length, it is called edge length, which is equal to A. BC which is also equal to A, CG also equal to A. So AB which is equal to A squared plus BC also equal to A squared. So AC squared which is equal to AC squared which is equal to 2A squared. AC, then AC which is equal to square root of 2A squared, which also equal to A into root 2. Don't forget. And then AC which is equal to the length of AC length which is equal to A root 2. Now we are going to find out the in the body diagonal of AG in triangle, in then ACG in triangle of ACG, AG squared which is equal to AC squared plus then CG squared, AC squared, AC which is equal to A root 2. So A root 2 whole square plus CG which is equal to A, so A square. AG squared which is equal to A squared 2 plus A squared equal to 3A squared. AG which is equal to square root of 3A squared equal to A into root 3. It is a AG. So AG which is equal to the length of body diagonal. The length of body diagonal. AG which is equal to A root 3. A root 3. The body diagonal contain totally how many spheres are there? 1, 2, 3 spheres are there. It is one of the radius R. In the center of the sphere, which contain totally how many radius? 2 radius. R, it is R because of diameter divided by 2. In the another one corner sphere, 1 radius are there. So AG which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 radius. So AG which is equal to 4R. In the 4R which is equal to A root 3. 4R which is equal to A root 3. In the radius of R which is equal to A root 3 divided by 4. In body-centered cubic system, important formula, in body-centered cubic system, the radius which is equal to edge length into root 3 divided by 4. Edge length into root 3 divided by 4. Volume, next one, volume of the sphere with radius. Volume of volume of sphere with radius r. Volume of sphere with radius r, which is equal to 4 divided by 3 pi r cube. R equal to a root 3 divided by 4. So equal to 4 divided by 3 pi in the a root 3 divided by 4 whole cube. 4 divided by 3 pi a root 3 divided by 4 whole cube. So volume of the sphere with radius, which is equal to 4 into pi into a cube into root 3 divided by 3. 3 split into 2 root 3. Another one, 4 power 3 into 4 1 4 cancel. Root 3 then 2 root 3 cancel. Equal to pi a cube root 3 divided by 4 into 4 equal to 16. It is a pi a cube root 3 divided by 16, which is equal to volume of the sphere with radius r. Volume of the sphere with radius r. In our formula of packing fraction which is equal to total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell. The total volume occupied by sphere in unit cell, which is equal to total number of atom per unit cell. Total number of atom per unit cell, which is equal to 2 in partition cubic. Volume of the sphere in unit cell. Volume of the sphere in unit cell, which is equal to pi a cube root 3 divided by 16. Pi a cube root 3 divided by 16. Next one, volume of the unit cell, which is equal to a cube. So packing fraction, which is equal to total number of atom per unit cell. 2 into volume of the sphere. It is a volume of the sphere. Pi a cube root 3 divided by a cube root 3 divided by 16 into 100. Next one, volume of the unit cell. Volume of the unit cell, which is equal to a cube. A cube cancel. Then 2 into pi into root 3 divided by 16 into 100. 16 into 100. In the root 3 equal to in the 2 and 8. In the 100 divided by 8, which is equal to 12.5. Pi value 3.14 into root 3, which is equal to 1.732 into 12.5 equal to 68%. So 68% of the volume occupied by sphere in body center cubic. Body center cubic. Empty space, which is equal to 100 minus 68 equal to 32%. So 32% of the free space present in body center cubic, 68% of the volume occupied by sphere in body center cubic. It is a packing fraction. Packing fraction or packing efficiency of the body center cubic. Empty space of body center cubic 100 minus 68 equal to 32%. Packing fraction of body center cubic 68%. What is the meaning of packing fraction of body center cubic? In body center cubic system, in the atoms are occupied the 68%, remaining 32% are empty. The 32% can be, we are considered as a voids. Voids is a 32%, 68% of the sphere are occupied in body center cubic. It is a packing fraction of body center cubic. Another one important points from the diagram. AG in the line is body diagonal. Body diagonal. AG. Body diagonal. In the body diagonal consists of totally how many R? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 R's are there. It's an important one formula. The number of neat questions are there. Maximum number of neat questions can be arises from this area. Body diagonal AG. The body diagonal consists of totally how many R, how many radius? 1, 2, 3, 4 radius. So body diagonal which is equal to 4R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4R. The 4R which is equal to A root 3 according to radius as well as edge length. The 4R value which is equal to A root 3. So body diagonal which is equal to A root 3. A root 3. It is a body diagonal. One half of the body diagonal is called shortest distance. So one half of the body diagonal divided by 2, which is equal to 4R divided by 2 equal to 2R, which is also equal to A root 3 divided by 2. A root 3 divided by 2. It is a shortest distance. It is equal to shortest distance. So shortest distance is nothing but one half of the body diagonal. AG line is called body diagonal, which contain totally how many radius are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 radius. One half of the body diagonal which is equal to shortest distance. So shortest distance which is equal to 4R divided by 2 equal to 2R, which also equal to A root 3 divided by 2. It is a shortest distance. The next one, one half of the shortest distance is equal to radius. Okay? One half of the shortest distance is called a radius. So shortest distance which is divided by 2 which is equal to radius R. So radius R which is equal to A root 3 divided by 4. A root 3 divided by 4. It is one of the then quaternary system. 1 divided by 2 which is equal to one half of the body diagonal. That is called 1 divided by 2 which is equal to shortest distance. One half of the shortest distance which is equal to radius. So R which is equal to A root 3 divided by 4. Body diagonal 4R which is equal to A root 3. Shortest distance which is equal to A root 3 divided by 2. It is an important formula. Okay students, today topic over. The next topic we will meet the next video. Thank you.